Today I'm going to show you how to build a complete web app with the front end, the back end, and the database in under 5 minutes using AI for free. And the best part? You don't need to know how to code. We're using 3 simple tools. Vercel. This is where your website lives. Supabase. This is where your data lives, your SQL database. And V0, the AI that builds your website for you. And yes, it's free as long as your app is small. But if your app starts growing, meaning lots of users, lots of data, lots of traffic, then Vercel and Supabase will ask you to upgrade to a paid plan. This is totally normal. Every platform does this. But here's the good news. If one day you don't want to pay for Vercel or Supabase anymore, you can move your app to your own server, a cloud server, or another hosting company. Your app is not locked in. You can take it anywhere. Step 1. Open a note on your computer. Write down exactly what you want your app to do. Example ideas: a chat app, a blog, a dashboard, a sign-up tool. Anything you want. Write everything in plain English. This becomes your prompt, the instructions the AI will use to build your app. Step 2. Go to v0.app and create an account. Paste your list into the text box. Click Generate. Now V0 starts building your entire website. The front end, the back end, the pages, the buttons, the layouts, all created automatically. Next, V0 will ask you to install Supabase. Click it. Then it will ask you to create a Supabase account. Click Accept and Create. Choose the free plan, then hit Continue. V0 and Supabase now work together in the background. This will create your Supabase project, create your SQL database, and connect it directly to your V0 app. Now name your database. I'll name mine Chat App Database. Click Create, wait a few seconds, then click Done. That brings you back to V0. Click Continue Building. Now wait a minute or two while V0 finishes creating your entire web app. When V0 finishes building, a pop-up will appear asking you to run SQL files. These SQL files create the tables where your app will store its data, users' messages, profiles, and anything else your app needs. Just click Run All. Your database is now fully set up and ready. If V0 made a mistake or added something you don't want, just tell the AI to fix it. It will update your app instantly. When everything looks good, click Publish. You can also connect your own domain name if you want, then hit Public, and boom, your app is live on the internet. A full app with a front end, back end, and database, all created in minutes. Let me show you mine. Here is the landing page. Clean, modern, and fully responsive. You can see the app name, the features, and the buttons for Start Chatting, Login, and Live Demo, all generated by AI. This is where users first arrive. Now here's the login and sign-up system. Anyone who creates an account gets added straight into your database. Now here's the actual chat app. You can see all the channels on the left: business ideas, marketing and growth, raising, capital, tech, and engineering. When you click a channel, real-time messages load instantly. Users can type, send messages, and everything updates live without refreshing. This is your full front end plus back end working together. Up in the top right corner, every user has a profile menu with options like Edit Profile Settings, Log Out. When a user clicks Edit Profile, they can update their basic information and save it, and it goes straight into Supabase. Now here's Supabase, where all your data lives. You can see your tables for users, profiles, messages, and channels. Every message, every user, every update is stored here. And finally, here's the admin dashboard. You can see total users, total messages, active users, most active users, and which channels are most active. Everything is clean, simple, and updates automatically. And remember, all of this was built using AI in just a few minutes.